Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to convert sodium into grams and teaspoons. This is very important to know if you are on a sodium controlled or sodium restricted diet because we use salt to flavor our dish, and salt is a flavoring with a chemical name sodium chloride. It is 40% sodium and 60% chloride. Now, if you need to know how much salt to add to your dish, let's convert sodium prescription to teaspoons of salt. To convert, let us use the formula, multiply the sodium value by 2.5 and then divide by 1000. For example, if you're given a prescription of 2,300 milligrams, first multiply 2,300 by 2.5, that will give you 5,750 milligrams of sodium chloride. Then divide this by 1,000 to get the grams sodium. Then to convert grams to teaspoon, use the following conversion factor. 1 teaspoon is equivalent to 5 grams. So it's gonna look like this. And then we just have to cancel the grams. Then multiply 5.75 by 1. Then 5.75 will be divided by 5. Now therefore, 2,300 milligrams of sodium is equivalent to 5.75 grams of salt or 1.15 teaspoon of salt. So I hope that you will find this useful. That would be all. Thank you.